Well, here's a little video of the complete job, which looks pretty decent considering my tripod hitting the bumper. So that's the fender, and that's me banging the tripod. That's it right there. Gives a little weight. Pretty good. The rubber's on. And we're back in business. Ready to show and go. Pretty good for an amateur. It won't get me an award, but I enjoyed doing it. It's fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it, because that's what it's all about. Having fun and enjoying what you're doing. That's what it's all about. Just having fun in my little makeshift garage. And now I'll take the other side apart and do the same thing, and it should go a little easier. 10-4 over and out.